Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to copy trading link in Phantom Wallet. Let's get started. Open your Phantom Wallet. Once you open your Phantom Wallet, the next thing you need to do is now you're going to see this here, this two arrow here. Click on it, add as a swap. Then you're going to see trading token. You can scroll down to see it, the 24 rank. You can scroll up, you can scroll down. Now you can also filter. Just come here to filter in. Maybe there's if by rank, by volume, by price, or by price change, or by market. You can also use the time frame, and also you can also search for the network that you wanted to check the trading link there. Once you're done with the filter, it's going to bring here. You can see for Solana, these are the trading link for Solana. You can see these are the trading link now. The trading tokens. This is it. It's very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.